So guys, I'm getting something to eat because we will have dinner at 6, and since sijaenda kasi jakula, I'm eating something too quick because the train is in the next 20 minutes. So I have to do it fast and then walk to the train station. It's like 7 minutes walk to the train station, and let's see how it goes, guys. So guys, I'm off. I'm outside, hoping that I'll get the train because the event starts at 2 p.m. But from the train station, it's gonna take me like 20 minutes to the place. So I hope I'm gonna make it, guys. I'm walking towards the station. But then, guys, achani niwaonyeshe, nimebeba like a pillow because we're gonna be sitting on the carpet. So like they requested us to have a a yoga mat or a pillow. So yes, guys. Let's do this together, guys. Let's do this, guys. Guys. See you in the station because I have to walk fast. Walk, and it's windy, guys. I have to walk fast. See you guys. So, guys, I'm at the station. I'm in the train station walking. Train is here, guys. Just stepped out the city, guys. Tutura netoboka. So guys, off and let's go, guys. This is what's the name? It's called Vesterport Station, and let's see, guys. Like, guys, by the I'm looking forward to see how this goes. Ama acha tutumie stairs. Achani tutumie stairs ndio tupige muhahe. Guys. Woo. So guys, by the way, kama haujajoin hii familia, I don't know what you're waiting for. Check out. Well, achani turudi chini. So check out. We've checked out. Yeah, nilikuwa nimesahau to check out. Because like what happens is, guys, if you don't check out, they'll charge me 50 kron. Manze, guys, that's a lot of money, So yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. But then sometimes I don't know where this courage comes from. Like when you're vlogging on the streets, it's not easy. But you have to do this, guys. Woo. First, before tuende to our main event, wacha tutembea kidogo because the event starts at 2. Nasitaki kuwa na muhahe na kufika mapema. So guys, let me show you like how the city around here looks like.